But what you're about to hear might be the most spectacular failure I've ever encountered. Between September and December 2022, John McCarroll orchestrated a murder-for-hire conspiracy in Mobile, Alabama. He hired multiple shooters, provided illegal weapons, including machine guns. He directed attack after attack after attack. His target was Milton Carter. And here's what happened. 2 innocent people murdered. 1 person permanently paralyzed. 6 more wounded. Months of terror across Alabama and Mississippi. And Milton Carter? He never got a scratch.